Parental from HILDACRAFTY. So today I'm going to show you how to make this doll from the spoon that we get from any restaurant or when we order takeaway. So for this we'll be needing any paper that we have at home. It can be a scrap sheet or magazine paper, gift wrap paper, but it should be a little thick in texture. So first we'll take the spoon and first we'll make the template for the dress. Supposing if it's a long dress, then we take first we make the template. So we take the spoon and we will put it here. We'll start from here, from the neck, because the dress starts from here. So we will take the spoon, supposing this is the neck of the stem of the spoon. So we'll mark these 2 points here. And supposing we want the dress till here, this is the shoe. So, and if we want the dress till here, so we'll mark 1 point. And then we'll take a scale. We'll join these 2 points. Now these are the 2 points. We will just fold from these two points from the top. And we'll fold the paper. Draw a line here. This will be the length. And we will cut it. Like this. So this becomes the template. Now supposing this is the dress that we need. Okay, I've already cut. Now if we want it little short like this dress, we will just cut it a little bit from here. If we want it more short, supposing we want it like this, a little more short, we will cut this more. So that's how we can get 3 lengths for a dress. Now I've already have one here and I've already cut one. So this is the dress that will be. Now we'll make the face. So for this, we will just first draw with our pencil. We will just draw the hair. And we will just make some lines. We will make the eyes. That's it. And now for the legs, we will just draw from the center. And for the shoe, we will make a curve like this. Now we will take the sketch pen and we will make the hair. Now you can make the hair any color that you want. If you want it brown, you can make it brown. If you want it gray, red, whichever color. So we'll just draw. We'll make the eyes. And for the cheek, for the lips, we will just put a dot. You can make lips like a curve if you want. And then we will make the cheeks a little pink, because since it's a doll, it's going to look very nice. Then we'll take the glue. Spread it. Put the dress. With the sketch pen, we will make the legs, and then we'll make the shoes. Now the shoe can be pink color, brown color, whichever color that you want. I'm just using black here. Like this. Now if you want, you can make an outline for the dress if you need. Now if you need a pocket, you can make it like, if you don't have any paper, it's okay. You can use a text paper and you can just put it like this, make the hair, and you can make a small pocket if you want. And if we need a pocket for, now for this, it is a long dress. So again, the face and everything. So I've just put some beads because I had some beads lying around with me. So I've just put the beads here, and I've put a baby ribbon here. And supposing we want a ribbon for this dress, we'll just use any baby ribbon. We will use glue. We'll stick it like this with the glue and just fold it. We'll again use the glue. Cut it a bit and fold it. We can use clothespin here till it's nicely stuck like this. Now, since it is everybody is wearing a mask, we can give this doll a mask too. Now, how do we do this? You take any paper foam bag that you have at home. Now, if you want a color, you can use this color. I'll just go with white now. So I'll just take a small piece from here. I'll cut it. And just give it a small cut at the corner. Take any twine. I'll just put a little glue. I'll put the twine here and I'll allow it to stick. I'll wait till it's nice and dry, and then I'll just take, this is dry, so I'll put it on the face like this, and I'll just put the glue here and some glue here, and I'll allow it to dry like this. And once it's dry, I'll cut the threads. Like this. Now, we can use this as a fridge magnet. So if you have a magnet which comes in round shape, you can put a little hot glue gun. Use the hot glue gun and put the magnet here. I don't have a magnet, so you can do that and you can put it on the fridge. Or if you don't have a magnet and you want to put it right away, you can use this double-sided tape. So you can just take a small piece and cut it. Stick it at the back. Remove this paper, this yellow paper, and you can stick it. Or if you don't have a double-sided tape, just take a scotch tape. Take a little big piece, just turn it around like this from this side. From the sticky side is below, underneath. You take this like this and just put it on the doll, and you can stick it. You can stick it on your almirah, you can stick it on your wall, or anywhere that you want. So this is how you can make it. This is with a mid-length. This is above the knee. This is I've made with a text paper, and I've put a pocket, and here again I've put a baby ribbon and I've put a small bead. So you can do anything that you want. So it's a very simple craft that you can do at home, and I think anybody can do this. So in my next video I'm going to show, now in this I've used a sketch pen to make hair. And in the next video, I'll show you how to make hair with some threads. So do tune in, do like, share, subscribe to my video, and I'll be back soon with the next video. Love you all.